This is Chris Crone, founder and owner of the Real Estate Investors Club, and I'm really excited that you decided to click on the video and join us. This is in preparation for the event coming up for you, whether it's a webinar or whether it's a live event that you're going to be coming to or a teleconference. I wanted to introduce for you my #1 secret in making money in real estate, and it's called REO. And you may want to write this down because we have an opportunity, the likes of which we have not seen in 80 years. The last time the real estate market was this good, or some could say this bad, was 80 years ago during the Great Depression. And what that means is we have, since 2006, almost 400 banks that have gone out of business. And with them going out of business right now, with everything happening, banks have a choice. They've got 90 days to eliminate their debts, or else they're going to go under and get foreclosed on. This means that there are hundreds of banks willing to sell properties to people like me, hundreds of them, at huge discounts. Let me create some context. Here's a pile of homes, and what you can see with these homes, here's a house in Kinsman, Ohio, that these people paid $111,000 for, and I paid $4,950. Under $5,000. See this other one in Detroit, Michigan? The previous owners paid $102,000, and we paid $5,467. And you can see here, there's a variety of other homes here. There is an opportunity to buy real estate that we have never seen before. Here's my recommendation for you. Make sure that you make the event, bring pen and paper, take some notes, because I'm going to be going into a lot more detail on this. Thanks, and we'll look forward to seeing you there.